Hello, my friends. Are you ready for this? Now, before I even start, the first 24 hours, these items are on our website. Again, the first 24 hours, they are on our website. They're on flash sale. And if you go quickly, you can get the bundle, which makes you save even 5% even more than the flash sale price, than our everyday low price. And if you're a club member, you get the club discount on too. It's crazy. Okay, ready? Now, most of you have already seen our club set for this month, but you know that I go crazy when it's club month and when it's club shipments. And so I made a lot more. For example, I needed more cupcakes. Hello, of course I need more cupcakes. Who has ever said, I have too many cupcakes? No one ever, right? So here we go. Here's some different sizes and different styles of cupcakes. Lots and lots of fun words. A hello that's vertical. I know you guys all love the verticals. You are so sweet. Sending you cupcake vibes. Ooh, yum. Sending you a virtual cupcake. When life gets tough, remember cupcakes can fix almost anything. Now, that's fun, right? And of course, yes, you know me, there's going to be dies that match. Whoa! So here's the dies that match. Look at them all. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 dies. We give you the shadow and the inside die. Of course, right? Moving on, we have cupcake phrases because you know I can never stop. So here we have, you sprinkle my life with joy, because get it, sprinkles on the cupcakes. You are the frosting to my cupcake. Missing you like a cupcake misses frosting. Healing thoughts and cupcake vibes coming your way. When the going gets tough, the tough eat cupcakes. You're as unique as a cupcake. And embrace your individual sprinkles. So fun. Perfect for everything, right? Now, are you ready? I have lots of samples. Look at all these samples I have to share with you. I can't believe it. Now, the next one is this one. It's a cupcake stand. It's A2 in size. And let me just tell you, we jam-packed this one because it also, let me show you what it looks like. It also comes with the words, sending you sweet thoughts. It comes with that. It also comes with the word congrats. And it has extra, look, it stands up so cute. It has extra little pieces so you can decorate the stand even more if you want to. Look at how adorable it is. Or put some cupcakes in it. Look how cute that is. Now, I have one more die to show you. And this is the perfect shaker card. Perfect background die, but also perfect shaker card background. And it is candles. So do you see the theme for this month? It is definitely all about birthdays. My oldest daughter, Kirsten, was born in April. So boom, this is birthday month, right? And look at those fun candles. And you know what? They make the perfect shaker. So stay tuned. Now, could the cupcake stand be for anything else? Well, of course it can. What about some flowers, right? Those flowers are from the Square Flip It. So cute. Love it. Love it. Love it. Open it up. Sending you sweet thoughts. Or, you ready for this one? How about carameled apples? Why not, right? Carameled apples. It stands better if you do it up at the top, the fold up at the top, because this one might be a little too heavy. Let's see if we can get it to stand. There we go. Look how cute that is. Carameled apples. Or add in some chocolate covered strawberries. So now the shaped card can be a card itself or put on a card front. The choice is yours. It can also make a great banner. It can make a treat box. Again, the choice is yours. So many items. So we could do chocolate covered strawberries. We could do carameled apples. We could do little flowers, or we could do just words, or we could do little cupcakes. Oh, so cute. And cookies. Oh, there's cookies in there. Oh my goodness. I am running cookies. Go get the cookies. Now, let's look at some other samples. Here is our fun horizontal background. Love it. Look at that cute, I'm sorry, horizontal stage card. Look how yummy those little cupcakes look. It looks like a cupcake shop. Now I'm getting hungry. Oh, okay. Look at how fun this one is. I love it. And then here's another one just decorating separately. So fun with those cute little cupcakes on there. Or make your own background. Make your own background. Here's another one to make your own background. Use the outlines of the cupcakes and make your own backgrounds. I absolutely love it. It's so fun. Oh, and this is a shaker too. Wow. I know, shakers are awesome. We all love our shakers, don't we? Now, here's a cute one using our small scalloped A2 card base. Love it. Happy birthday. So fun. Oh, here's a cute one. Look at this little window card. Ready? Are you ready? Look at that. Oh, missing you like a cupcake Mrs. Frosting. Here's a fun one. They are dancing in that grass. I love that. Yummy cupcakes. And on the inside, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Now, let's look at this candle one, okay? Because I know in your minds you might be thinking, I don't understand how that's a shaker card. Ready? Die cut it. You're going to die cut it. And the outside of it, meaning the negative piece, you're going to pop up. And now look at that, my friends. It is all a shaker. The whole thing is a shaker. Isn't that awesome? I could shake it all day. Now, here's another one. You could also do the candles separately. Make each one their own color. Just put foam in between each one. Now, each candle is its own color. Look at that. Also, here's another shaker with different background paper behind them. Look at how fun, you guys. You're going to go crazy. Now, oh, here's another one. Here's another one. Look at this. Oh my goodness, you guys. Now, some of you might be saying, Stephanie, I love it, but I do not do shakers. My friends, I have you covered because look at this. Just add different pattern paper in there. Right? Now, this card is perfect to make a whole bunch of. What I want you to do, especially if you sell cards, and of course you're allowed to sell cards at craft bazaars or put them on your husband's desk at work and have the honor system and sell those cards. People that don't make cards love to buy handmade cards to give away, right? So what I want you to do is die cut this die out of a couple different pieces of pattern paper. And then you're going to do a blue candle on this card. The next card, the second candle is going to be blue. The next card, the third candle is going to be blue. The next card, you know what I mean? Do you get it? Do you get it? So each card's going to be a little different, but it'll be a set of perfect cards ready to go. And you're only die cutting a couple times and reusing each piece on each card. So easy peasy. Oh, look how cute. I love it. I love it. Now, oh, and here's another one with just background paper. Just the same candles, but with pattern paper, one piece of pattern paper. I'm telling you, this one, you guys are going to grab this one way more than you even think because, you know, there's too many options, which is awesome because then you're going to use it more often and then you're going to like me more. So I love it. Now, club members, I know I'm preaching to the choir here. You are getting 15% off all of these items every single day, every single order, every single item. But the first 24 hours they're on our website, you know, flash sale. Get them when they're new, then you're saving even more. And if you jump in on that bundle, you're saving even more. How many different discounts can I give you? I'm just paying you to be my friend. I just need more friends. Now, my friends, go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. If you're watching this on YouTube, please make sure you click that subscribe button down there below this video. I need you to subscribe to our channel so you are notified when we release new videos or when we do our live videos. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.
much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.